Hello everyone, welcome to another Moonvalley AI tutorial for beginners. Now this will be a step-by-step tutorial on how you can create simple cinematic and animated videos from simple text prompts with Moonvalley AI. Now this is basically how it looks right here, as you can see. These are just some of the cinematic movies or like cinematic GIFs that you can create from from prompts like this. For example, a rose in a garden, model in funky hipster clothes walking towards the cinema in a cool street, right? So you can see a lot of different things that you can do with Moonvalley AI. It's very powerful. You can create also YouTube videos with this. This can act as a B-roll in your videos and stuff like that. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to try the beta here, and you will need to basically have a Discord account for this. Just like with Midjourney, you will need to have a Discord account. So just go and try beta, and then you will land in a channel where you will be able to do something like that. So first is accessing the Moonvalley, which is again going to the Moonvalley website as I showed you right here previously. And then as you can see, we're here at NFT now because I don't have the direct access to Moonvalley. I will show you like this how you can actually go and start creating Moonvalley AI prompts and getting the videos out. So as you can see, we have general prompt, we have the style and duration. So this is the general prompt, this is the style and duration. So whenever you want to go and create in Moonvalley AI, you will need to go /create, and then you will need to add a prompt. For example, a girl walking down the street. That's a prompt. A style can be, this will dictate whether the visual aesthetic of your video is illustrative, anime, or soft macabre. So for example, you can go, these are just some of the current options, you can use them. So for example, illustrative is the best for me personally. And then duration, this defines the length of your video. Currently the durations available are approximately 3 seconds, 4 seconds, and 5 seconds. So you can choose whether or not you want 3, 4, or 5. But overall, the general prompt is the most necessary, and it is the most important prompt out there. So again, have a prompt, the style, duration, and then this is how it's going to look like, right? So you have a create and then prompt, and as you can see, these are just some of the style options as well. Comic book, fantasy, anime, realism, 3D animation. The options for duration are short, medium, long, as you can see. Obviously this changes with the updates, and then you can craft an effective prompt. For example, robots building a snowman in a winter wonderland. Style is fantasy, and duration is long. Average wait is 8 to 12 minutes for the long, which is I think 4 seconds, something like that. So yeah, these are just some of the styles, as you can see right here. For example, this is a prompt text from the style a stuffed furry rapper Muppet dancing TikTok in a dilapidated haunted house garden, soft macabre style. As you can see, vibrant colors, horror movie color palette style. So as you can see, this is how long you can take it with your prompts. And this is 1 second, by the way. Now, as you can see, white shot interior of a kitchen, white cabinets or cabinets right here, as you can see. So it looks really well put. Obviously this is AI, so it will have some minor differences. For example, Gran Turismo intro, very cool. It looks very cool. As you can see, it's changing the car and stuff like that, which is great. So yeah, you can review and refine. Upon entering your prompt, Moonvalley AI will generate a video. If the outcome isn't as expected, then you will need to refine your prompt or specify certain details. Now, obviously, this works just like ChatGPT for text. You will need to refine it, and just like Midjourney for for other things such as images, stuff like that. So you will need to refine your videos, whatever you want them to be in the video. Make sure to put it in the prompt text. So that's pretty much it. What you want to know about Moonvalley AI. It's a great AI tool. If you have any questions or comments, you can always comment down below, and yeah, you can get a beta access by going to moonvalley.ai and trying the beta. Again, this is what it can do. It can do very well videos for your YouTube videos, for your cinematic videos as well. So yeah, if you have any questions, again, you can comment down below, and we'll see you in the next upcoming AI videos. Thank you guys for watching.